In the rapidly evolving landscape of taxation and compliance, the intersection of income tax search operations has become increasingly important. To shed light on this critical area, CA Manoj K Patawari, Senior Partner MC Jain and Company, have penned down a comprehensive guide on income tax search and seizure. So, what inspired the creation of this book, and how do you believe it contributes to the understanding of income tax regulations?
I have been handling income tax search and seizure matters for over 20 years now, and I have observed during over these years that people are not abreast about the income tax regulations relating to income tax search and seizures and surveys. And during the COVID pandemic, I got an opportunity in my schedule to write this book. So most of the book was written by me during the COVID pandemic, and definitely the latest changes which happened in the Finance Act 2024 has been amended during the last 1.5 months, and definitely this book is going to be a good book for the professionals and the corporates, because which is specially confirmed by the fact that the first edition of the book has been completely sold out. Bharat Publisher has published my first edition also, and the book has been a complete sold out.
So, how do you envision the book assisting professionals and taxpayers in navigating the complexities under income tax?
The book contains a comprehensive details about the provisions of the Income Tax Act with regard to the income tax search and seizure operations and survey operations, because the search and seizure of matters are not handled by most of the chartered accountants and the tax consultants practicing in Delhi or India. In every city, there are hardly 10-20 professionals who handle all these matters, because the rest of the professionals or the consultants are not aware about the provisions relating to the income tax search and seizures. I have tried to write this book in simple and easy language to understand, and hopefully this will definitely work to their benefit.
Okay. So, what role do you see this book playing in helping individuals and organizations navigate the complexity of IT searches?
This book can definitely help the people who have got searched in managing the search, or you complying with the search proceedings, because they would be aware about the search provisions and they would not panic, because most of the loss or damage is done when the searched party gets panicked.
And so, how do you think the book will influence the understanding of IT searches among tax professionals and general public?
It will definitely affect understanding of the tax provisions relating to search and seizure, because the book has been written in a very simple language, and it will definitely help them.
So, thank you so much for your time. We wish you all the best for the future. Thank you, sir. Thank you.